Hello friends, this is Gökberk from Turkishaholic. It's been a while since I made a big announcement on Turkishaholic, and today I would like to talk about something that I added to the website for both free and premium members of Turkishaholic. So if you're interested in learning Turkish with example sentences that use the grammar that you learned, I have a series called Turkish Sentences, or Beginner Turkish Sentences to be more specific. So basically these are example sentences that follow a certain grammar point and start from really easy, then finally go to intermediate level, until intermediate level. So these are sentences that you will have to learn when you're trying to speak Turkish with either your friends or with a native speaker. And these are all categorized. So these are not just random sentences that you will see on the internet. So these are really important lessons. And in total, there are 700 example Turkish sentences. That's right, 700. So you can both see the example sentence and you can also listen to my pronunciation of each sentence or phrase. So these are really nice lessons. So if you haven't checked them out, they are only on the Turkishaholic website. These are not video lessons. These are just audio recordings of example sentences. And you can also download these sentences as a PDF. So these are not just one 700 word PDF file. So each lesson is divided into 50 sentences. So there are in total 14 lessons. And for now, only the first 4 lessons, so only the first 200 sentences are available for free for anyone. If you're interested in seeing the rest of the 700 sentences, so you'll be missing out on 500 if you don't become the premium member of Turkishaholic, you'll actually learn a lot from these sentences. And when you become a premium member, apart from accessing 700 sentences, you can also do the example exercises. So these are speaking-based exercises that will help you even further, improve your understanding of Turkish. And when you become a premium member of Turkishaholic, you can also get access to premium courses that are not available anywhere on social media. And another great thing is the learning resources section, the exercise database. So if you haven't checked them out and if you don't know anything about premium on Turkishaholic, it's all available in the video description below. So check out the user manual section of the website. I talk about everything about Turkishaholic and about these sections. And I hope you like these example sentences. I spend a lot of time making them, and hopefully it will help you further improve your understanding of Turkish. Then take care. See you next time.